back with another video. As you can see, we got the front wheels for the Q finally. So same as the rears, the 57 CR Nismo Clubsport wheels. We got the Indy 500s rocking on the front. Not as meaty because this is a rear-wheel drive car, but for the fronts we got 245, 35, 19 for the Indy 500s, and then the wheel size is 19 by 9.5 plus 35. So for all those that are going to ask, there it is off rip. And yeah, about to just go take these to my boy Nestor. He's always in the videos. That's where I go for all my tire installations. And yeah, I just hit him up. He said we could come by, so let's just go shoot over there right now. These were the stock front. Tires are on their last leg.